Hello everyone. So today I want to show you an amazing capture or sensors that I found, and I think it's very cool. I'm just gonna show you right now. It's pretty neat. So it's not this capture air, not this sensor, which is about air quality, which I'm gonna review very soon. So keep in touch. But it's this one right there. This one is pretty amazing, really, and it's quite cheap. I bought a few of them. It come as well with a 3D printed case, so you don't need to worry about it like most of ESP product. So that's kind of cool. And it have some very cool sensor. I'm gonna show you very right now. But basically, what it does have a heartbeat sensor. So you do not have to touch anything. You just have to be in the room, and it will detect your heartbeat. So I think it's pretty amazing. I mean, obviously, it would be very great, like a nursing house or something like this. But even to do smart automatization, like knowing that the light not gonna turn off until you are turn off. Like, obviously, I don't wish that for anyone, but that won't be an issue of a light if you have issue with art. By the way, they also have as breathing in real-time respiration rate. So you can do a bunch of automatization, and you also have a light automatization. So you can, for example, trigger the light when the motion is detected and when the light is not bright enough. So that's kind of cool, I think. I'm gonna install a bunch of them in the house. Let me know in the comments what you think, but I think it's pretty amazing. And by the way, there's another sensors, like a little difference from this sensor is the other one detect fall. So that could be a good idea as well for all the people. If you want to check if there's any issue, you can set up automation like ring someone in case of fall. So I think it's very cool. And let me know in the comments. As I say, I'm going to review this sensors now about air quality in a couple of days. So subscribe if you want to see this. And in the meantime, see you next time. Bye now.